Hello, my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Today begins day one of a little road trip that I'm doing, although I'm not quite sure where all I'm going on this road trip except for today. Today, let's see how I should share this information with y'all. Have y'all ever heard of a band called Steak Champs? If you're familiar with me and you're familiar with my channel, you know that Steak Champs is one of my favorite bands. I love me some Steak Champs. Well, guess what? Steak Champs will be in Nashville, Tennessee tonight. Therefore, I'm going to be in Nashville, Tennessee tonight. Destination number one of this road trip, Nashville, Tennessee. Let's get this video started. I gotta spit, I'm sorry. Let's get this video started. Vamos. Let's go. So, I found this little nature trail on the internet. I never heard of it, but oh wow. For a second, I thought I saw a bat flying around. I was like, holy shit, what kind of nature trail is this? Could you imagine that? If you were to stumble upon a bat sanctuary. I see a lot of butterflies though. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure what kind of wildlife I will be seeing on this nature trail. Although I really don't have that much time to kill. It's about 1:30 p.m. The show starts around 7 p.m. Y'all know me, I'm 5'3". If I get too far back, I can't see. So that rhymed, didn't it? I should be a rapper. You know what? I used to be when I was 13 years old. All right, I would love to see more of this nature trail. By the way, it's called, what's it called? Cypress Grove Nature Park. If you're ever around Jackson, Tennessee, come check this out. I was supposed to get the day started much earlier, much sooner than I did, but I bought the new GoPro Hero 12 and I will live and die on this hill. From now on, GoPro, y'all release a camera and y'all don't fix that overheating issue, it's going straight back to the store. No questions asked. Sorry, don't have time for that. Especially when the new camera is not much of an upgrade. All it is really is a software upgrade. And the only problem that I've really had out of my GoPro Hero 11 is the overheating. So unless that's one of these software updates on the new camera, then I don't care. And I did test it out, and it overheated after 17 minutes. Imagine that. So I waited for Best Buy to open up, took the camera back, and here I am on some nature trail. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Let's get to Nashville, Tennessee, because I'm a realist and an optimist, but I swear to you, I'm not getting over this. Oh, no, I'm not getting over this. On the road again. Zach Backpacking Around the World is on the road again. Also, on the lineup for tonight's show, it's not a Steak Champs headline show. They're not closing it out, unfortunately. A band who might deserve the headline spot, although from my personal perspective, I'd rather see Steak Champs close the show out, but what can you do? The band headlining tonight is a band called Boys Like Girls. And also on the lineup, we have 4 Years Strong and Lolo. I'm very excited to see Lolo. I've been listening to a lot of her tunes lately. Very pretty girl. I'm excited to see what she has in store for Nashville, Tennessee tonight. I am in Fairview, Tennessee, a town with a population of a little less than 10,000 people. I'm not religious or anything, but when I see a cute church, I'm still going to acknowledge it. I'm not religious in the least, but whenever I travel, you know, I want to see unique things, and this church has some personality to it. I like it. I like it a lot. Can you imagine Job for a Cowboy playing at this church? In case you don't know who Job for a Cowboy is, they had a music video where they played in a church. I don't think it's an official church. I think that's just what they call the venue. What was the song called? I think it was called Unfurling a Darkened Gospel. Great song. And I believe it was filmed at a church in Philadelphia, I want to say. But yeah, sorry it's backlit right now. I'm just driving around Fairview, Tennessee. I was looking for something to include for the video, and this is what I stumbled across. I am right outside of Nashville, Tennessee, off of exit 196, I believe. Not sure what this area is called. I think it's called Bellevue or something like that. But anyways, there's a Taco Bell right here. And why am I outside of a Taco Bell, you might be asking? Well, last week I got approved to drive for DoorDash, and apparently it's not location based, which means I don't have to be in Memphis in order to do this. Now, I did it a little bit last week, and I'm not too impressed by the money this app produces. There's a lot of low amount orders from this app, but let's go ahead and log on to it. See, I'm right outside of Nashville. Let's see if I get anything while I'm filming. Probably not. Yeah, but let's make some money while I'm out on the road. Hey, look at that. $6.50 for 4.2 miles. All right, let's do that. All right, here I come. Where am I going? Here I come, Chili's. Chili's is actually pretty damn good, so not a bad choice. Whoever is ordering this, they got good taste. I think Chili's is the A side to these franchise restaurants. I just arrived at Chili's. It was only up the street from where I was, but anyways, I'm gonna go in, get their food, and I'm not going to bring y'all in with me yet. Whenever I can buy a head mount for my GoPro, then I'll bring y'all in with me on my DoorDashes. But until then, I'm gonna go get their food and drop it off. The goods are secured from Chili's. Now let's go deliver it to Madeline. And unfortunately, I do not have a hot bag yet. DoorDash is supposed to be sending me one, so you gotta do what you gotta do. DoorDash complete. Enjoy your Chili's, Madeline. Now I'm craving Chili's. Maybe in the near future, I'll get some Chili's myself. But anyways, I need to get to Brooklyn Bowl because, like I said, tonight I am seeing Boys Like Girls, State Champs, 4 Years Strong, and Lolo. I'm pretty excited. Are y'all excited? Are y'all excited for me? I hope so. I mean, I'm gonna rock out regardless, so yeah.
says a lot. It's called You Turn Me On, but You Give Me Depression. I wish I fell for an accident instead of getting into it, you know, to make it quick. Punch a hole through the wall, because into depression. I never saw myself to me with this protection.
What's going on with the California Southern Police in Massachusetts? You guys ready to have some fun? Let's get you out.
Well, that was fun. I'll see you later, Nashville. I'm sure I will. That was a great concert. Well, thanks to State Champs and Lolo. Boys Like Girls were okay. I never really got into them, even when they released that one-hit wonder song they had back in the day, The Great Escape. And 4 Years Strong was also okay. Not my favorite. I mean, it is what it is. You like what you like, and you don't like what you don't like. I mean, if you like it, great. If not, great. Anyways, do you see what's behind me right here? And do you see what's in my hand? That's right, I went into Buc-ee's. I usually go to Taco Bell for a late night snack. Well, that changes tonight. That changes now because I'm heading east. I decided I want to head east. Of course I know where I'm going tomorrow or today. The only part of this road trip that I was somewhat sure about was today for Nashville, and then tomorrow, should I say where? I mean, considering y'all are watching until the end, tomorrow I am going to Charlotte, North Carolina to see Becky G. The Nashville plans were 100%. The Charlotte plans were like 80%. I really want to get back down to Mexico City, and if I was to find a flight for like $400 or something like that from Nashville today, I would have taken that flight. Well, flights were nowhere near $400. So, no Mexico City for me right now anyways. We'll see. I'm gonna keep looking around. If flights from Charlotte to Mexico City go way down, I'll probably hop on the flight. But anyways, sorry for the noise back here. He's power washing the concrete. Much respect to him for taking care of this fine establishment. I'm gonna enjoy my post-concert eats here at Buc-ee's. I got a chopped brisket sandwich, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Well, I found my hotel for the night in this parking lot, which happens to be my car. I hate being broke. I'm not really broke, but I don't feel like spending money, so I'm gonna sleep in my car and save money. You never know when you're gonna need that extra, however much a hotel room is nowadays. What, 60, 70, 80, $90? I could use that for something else. I am going to get a hotel on this trip, no worries. Just on the first night, I don't need one. It's 55 degrees outside, feels nice. I have my sunroof open, so I'm going to utilize the ideal temperature outside and make use of it. Good night from Crossville, Tennessee.